unboxing for you. This is the Dreame Dreamebot W10 robot vacuum and mop. What sets this apart from all the other mopping robots out there, these have dual rotating pads, and this will actually go back to the dock, clean the pads, come out with fresh, clean, wet pads, and continue mopping. This robot has a lot going for it. It has the biggest battery I've ever seen put into a robot vacuum. It's 6,400 mAh, which, to put that in perspective, the brand new iRobot J7 Plus has a 2,100 milliamp hour battery, so 3 times bigger than one of Roomba's highest end vacuums that they sell. So I really appreciate that. Usually these Dreamebots come with 5,200, but the fact that they have even more is just super impressive, and I really like that. It says up to 210 minutes of running time. So how this guy works, it has 2 water tanks inside of the system, and I'll show you that during this unboxing. One is for clean water, and the one is for the dirty water after it mops. So the robot will start out with wet pads, and it'll start cleaning one of your rooms, and it'll get about 5 to 10 minutes in and sense that it's getting dry. So it'll drive back to the dock, spin and clean the mopping pads while getting them wet, then coming back out and starting where it left off with brand new fresh wet mopping pads. It'll suck the dirty water into the dirty water tank, and then continue doing that until your job is complete. So very cool technology. This is very similar to the Narwhal T10, which is, well, was possibly one of my favorite mopping robots. I think this is going to beat it overall, but I have a lot of testing to do, because not only does this do mopping, it does have a full brush roll system, so it's going to be great on carpets as well. The Narwhal would only clean on hard floors effectively. So I'll explain a little bit more as I go through this, but let's go ahead and unbox this. This guy is $1,089 right now, but there's a $200 off coupon on Amazon that you can clip. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested. Let's see what you get for that $1,000. Pretty excited for this one, guys. I know there's other competitors coming out with these as well, including D-Bot, and I know Roborock has one coming as well, so a lot of competition for these mopping robots. Alright, first thing of course is the user manual. Of course you always get that. Here's going to be your accessories and mopping pads. I'm going to go ahead and get all this out, and then we'll go through each piece one by one. There is the robot mop itself. Alright guys, let's first go ahead and check out the accessories. Here is the mopping pads. These are going to connect to the bottom, and these will rotate as they go, and there will be down pressure as the robot's cleaning the entire time, so it's going to be scrubbing. Here is the single side brush. It's got a 5-star design. Of course you have the power cord. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the robot vacuum itself. Here we go. So this is a D-shaped robot, which is starting to become more popular because it's able to get in the corners a lot better than a round robot. Got to make sure the dome clicks on the LiDAR, and it does, which is great, so this will not get stuck underneath your couch or underneath like a bed frame. So what I really like about this robot, not only is it not just a suction port, it has a wider roller bar than most robot vacuums. This is almost as wide as the Roomba S9 Plus. So this is going to do a much better job cleaning, especially on carpet, hard floors as well. And then the bottom here, as you can see, this is where you're going to connect the mopping pads. Let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like installed. So as you can see, very simple. It's literally some magnets. So these will spin as the robot is cleaning, and the robot's pretty good weight to it, so it's putting down force onto the floor the whole time, therefore scrubbing up any stains. So definitely like the build quality. Go ahead and install the side brush. It just clicks right in. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this, guys. I think it's going to be a really, really good robot. Let's go ahead and check out the dirt bin. So it does have an air filter, of course. Let's see if it has the mesh. And it does, which I really like. Not only does it make the filter last a lot longer, but it's also super easy to clean the dirt bin. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the base. This is where not only does it charge, but it cleans the mopping pads and stores the water and everything like that. Alright, so how this system works, your robot will go out with pre-wet pads. It'll go around scrubbing around and cleaning, and then when it comes back every 5 to 10 minutes or so, once it senses it needs more water, and that'll be based off what you tell the machine. If you tell it you want heavy water, it'll come back more often. If you say you just need a little bit of water, it'll come back less. So say these are really filthy, it's going to back the robot onto here, and it's got these little nubs here, and this is what's going to scrub this pad. So with all the down pressure of the weight of the robot, they're going to soak this pad and spin it. There's also a suction tube under here, and that's going to suck up all the dirty water into the dirty tank, while the fresh water is flowing more clean water onto the pads. 1, cleaning them, and then 2, wetting them for the next time it goes out. So really cool technology. Like I said, I really love the narwhal, but I think this is going to be overall better. I will be putting them head to head, and I think there's going to be a lot of buzz around this robot vacuum and mop. Alright, let me go ahead and show you the water tanks real quick. So blue, of course, is the clean, and these hold exactly a gallon of water and then a gallon of dirty water. So very cool. So this will drop water down into the robot where the mopping pads are. Then there is a suction motor that will pump water into this tank. And then when you're done, you literally just take this to your sink or toilet or wherever you dump your water. Dump it right out, fill this back up with clean water, and there you go again. You don't have to touch any type of dirty water. And it's just a really cool system. I definitely think this is going to be the future of mopping. Alright guys, there we have it. That is the Dreame Dreamebot W10 unboxing. It's got a lot going for it. I think it's going to be extremely good overall. I think with it having that large battery and then especially that larger roller, not only is it going to be a great vacuuming robot like their other models, I will be putting this through a ton of tests. Like I said, I'll be doing head-to-head challenges against the narwhal and other mopping robots. And I'll let you guys know in my full review if I recommend this, the narwhal, or something else. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this brand new robot vacuum and mop. Like I said, I'm pretty excited to test this out. I'm going to get some videos out on this very soon, so please like and subscribe. If you want to see these videos first, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I would love for you guys to join this channel. You guys all have a fantastic day and an awesome holiday season.